First, get a wet piece of cloth and just make sure wipe the headlight real good. Make it clean, so you can work on this area. Some dry cloth, just dry it out. Amount of cleaning solution on the pad that's included. Using the back and forth motion, just rub the headlight. A few times, just kind of make it all even. Use the wet cloth, just wipe off the cleaning solution. And after you're done, it should have like a little bit of haze evenly spread on the headlight. And after a minute, you can see it all hazed up. On clear coat, you can see it looks much better. We'll do one more. They say just overlap it by 50%. I just do try to overlap it as good as I can and then let it dry for another 5 minutes and it's ready. Let's do the other one the same way we did the first one. So this is how it's looking when it's done. Now you're gonna see way better on the road at night. Alright, thanks guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and you're gonna see more interesting videos. Thanks, bye.